2002 Pontiac Firebird. 5.7 liter. Very clean Florida car. Comes with a WS6 package. Car is running as I speak. It's got cold air, T-tops, fuel injected, interior is like new. If you'd like to buy this car, give me a call right now to make a deal. I could be reached at 954-937-8271. 954-937-8271. These are very collectible cars. They go up in value. It's a real true WS6 package Firebird Trans Am. Very, very clean vehicle. Visit bigboyhotrods.com. bigboyhotrods.com for more vehicles for sale. I can also assist you with shipping to your doorstep. Give me a call and we can make a deal. We'll go for a little test drive. AC blows ice cold in here. No check engine lights or anything like that on the vehicle. It's got plenty of power. It's got the TSC option. Call me to make a deal at 954-937-8271. My name is Alex. Thank you for looking.